Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be talking to you guys about the Pixie Pet. It is a rare pet, and basically every 200 to 100 seconds, spreads pixie dust for 15 to 30 seconds. All plants within 15 to 30 studs will advance growth an extra 30 seconds every second. And it also makes nearby players levitate. So let's see if that's true. I'm just going to place it here. They also come in different colors. Like purple, pink, and green. And like, I had one that's like just, I don't know, cream colored or brown. I'm not sure. So let's place the Pixie Pet there. Okay, why am I not levitating? Well, I'm supposed to levitate when I'm nearby it, but I'm not sure. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.